थंय तुम्ही परमिशन दिलं नाही आणि प्लस तुम्ही सगळे सर्वे नंबर सायट इन्स्पेक्शन आम्ही सायट इन्स्पेक्शन मारला तेका.
ओके
सो म्हाका एक सांग तुम्ही तेका एफआयआर वाडोवन दिला.
ओके ओके
80 एफआयआर आसा.
ओके
ओके एंटायर विलेजीन 80 एफआयआर आसा. पण तुम्ही ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक स्पेशल अप्रुवल 299 दिला.
ओके
299 एफआयआर दिला.
ओके
म्हाका त्याचो रिझन कळलो कित्याक एफआयआर.
No, I will have to check in.
No, but you are taking a board.
I am on the board, but let me check what proposal, what it is, how, what
No, no, no.
proposal. No, no permits it.
लॉ
Yes, yeah.
लॉ परमिट म्हणतात तुम्ही ते ग्रामसभेने घातले तुम्ही ते
No, there must
लोकल
have been different
प्रोव्हिजन
No,
तुम्ही कसे देऊ शकता लोकल तुम्ही त्याचा EIA तुम्ही रिपोर्ट घेतला.
No, wherever it is.
No, you have taken the EIA.
No, certain type of construction.
You have
Right
taken
now,
the EIA.
right now,
How come you can give without EIA permission?
Right now, construction work is not.
त्याका समज तुम्ही एफआयआर नंबर 299 दिलो.
See,
299 तुम्ही एफआयआर दिले तर
but anyway,
थ्रू द DCP ना दिला तुम्ही त्याला.
that's fine.
सो तुम्ही समज त्याला 299 एफआयआर दिलो त्यांना तुम्ही त्याला EIA कशी घेऊन
That point of time not required. EI is
Why not required? It is required.
No, definitely.
When it is above
EI comes.
20,000 standard million. So meters
Overall,
overall.
yeah, it does. When it comes
No,
to
now it
construction,
is, you have given permission.
no, let me check.
How you can ensure permission without
Without permission for.
construction?
Let me check.
You have given permission for
Let me
construction.
check. Let me check.
How you can give permission? Right now आता प्रॉब्लेम किती झाला थंय तो उदक असा उदक सगळं ग्राउंड वॉटर इतले सगळे डेप्थात गेला ग्राउंड वॉटर सगळं वयर जाता
बरं, let me-
जोरी सगळं व्हावता पण साईड तुम्ही केन्ना घेतलें सांगू म्हाका भेट दिया.
I will speak to this person different.
वायट आता एनर्जी चेंज झाल्या ना आता साईड इन्स्पेक्शन घेवपाक कितलो टाइम.
I will talk to our officer and fix up the thing, whatever is required.
नो म्हाका डेट आता
I will not give the date.
नाईस डेट दिया.
I am not permitting any date because.
ना why office is there.
No, see, because I am.
Office is there, sir. DCP office
I
is
am
there.
telling my person to
अरे,
execute whatever is given.
तुम्ही तुम्ही डेट दिला अरे हांव तू बाकीचे आमच्या बाकीचे जाग्याचा म्हाका एक सांग हेची डेट म्हाका आताची
I
आसा
am not.
आयजूच द्या म्हाका डेट.
I will give.
ना हांव चालची ना हांव त्या सांगू
I
हांव
will
कसो प्रॉब्लेम
I will talk to
म्हाका
my.
आता डेट दिया.
I will give.
तुम्ही केन्ना साईड इन्स्पेक्शन
This is the
घेतलें
person who is supposed to give the date. I will speak to him. and give
कॉल हिम अप राईट
I
नाउ.
will.
आताच कॉल करून
I
दे.
will speak to him.
ना ना आताच कॉल करून दे. तुझे कॉल करून No, no, तुझे कॉल करून
That's not-
You are a decision maker. You are a decision maker.
This is not-
तुम्ही कसं दिलंय का परमिशन. तुम्ही कॉन्फिडन्स कोणाला घेतलं विलेज पंचायती
All this I am recording, no?
No,
It has to be there, no? It has to be highlighted because sir is telling me the nice.
no, nice. I am telling you nice way.
Legally, yeah, fine.
Please, people have to listen. People have to know what is happening. तुम्ही किती काढला लास्ट टाइम तुम्ही हल्ला तुम्ही कन्सल्ट घेतले काय तुम्ही काय करता डायरेक्ट त्याचं परमिशन इश्यू करता.
Let me check, no, how it is done, what is done, what it is.
तुम्ही खबर ना
I can't recollect.
how come
There are so many files.
ना परमिशन कोण दिला मला.
I can't recollect. Permission आम्ही दिला
हा, तुम्ही दिला. म्हणतात
आमचे क्वेश्चन
तुम्ही परमिशन पाचशे इश्यू केलं तुम्ही लास्ट टाइम आम्ही चालले लास्ट टाइम की झालेले
प्रोसेस
तुमचं लास्ट टाइम की झालेले आता मिनिस्टर झालेले आपण कन्सल्ट करतो कोण केलं कन्सल्ट तुम्ही केलं मिनिस्टर कन्सल्ट कोण केलं कोणाच बोलला तुम्ही नाकाले परमिशन इश्यू करता डायरेक्ट विदाउट कन्सल्टिंग एनीवन लोकल कन्सल्ट कोणाच परमिशन EIA परमिशन EIA तुम्ही याला टेकन EIA परमिशन लेट नो परमिशन देन नो परमिशन असं हा तो EIA घ्यायची घेतली when you are taken EIA tell me
I do not know, you know,
how come you don't know you are a CTP
but I can't.
you should know everything how you are a should
Also, it's not that I'm not.
No,
saying, but let me when I.
yeah without just give me an answer
Yeah.
just I want to answer
Yeah, okay.
how come you have issued a permission without EIA hearing
No, but it, I
the provision ना
No.
then the provision
AI जर applicable असेल लागू झालं दाखलेत
ना तुम्ही काय करता
No,
जातले जाता
If it
So
is
तुम्ही काय
required,
घेऊन जा?
if it is required, then it is required. There is no question about
So
bypassing.
so why yellow bypass?
I have to check.
Why yellow bypass?
Let me check first. Let me check.
No,
Why is bypass?
you
You are saying bypass.
you
but let
have
me
issued
check.
a permission. You have given a
But
permission.
let me check whether it is really bypass. So I'll call my officer. Let me check.
You have issued a permission. How do you have stand over there?
I'm not saying
How
no.
do you have stand over?
I'm not saying no. No, we have issued, but if probably everything, some flaws are there. Definitely, it will have to be checked.
Give me a date. When the inspection will be done.
Yeah, I want it not next week. Not next week. Next week, almost at that.
Why not next week?
No, I'll talk to officer. No, I'll talk to my officer.
Where are the
Let you know.
Where are you going?
I will do that.
When the
I cannot.
then the High Court direction now.
Yeah.
When I tell you illegality, go directly flying
No,
squad
but
section.
yeah, it has been so. Yeah.
Why DCP department can't come?
But that is
For the
construction. That is illegal construction.
This is also illegal construction. This is also illegal construction without proper permission. You have not issued them proper. You have given a EIA permission. You have taken EIA
No,
permission.
let me check. No, sir.
Why you have not taken? I am telling you. I am telling you.
But let me check.
You
From my
you don't have EIA permission.
No,
You have taken EIA hearing. Before taking a EIA permission, you have taken EIA hearing.
Okay, fine.
You have taken hearing.
I'm
You have called people
Let
from
me check it.
Puttar village.
Let him. Let me
You have
check.
not called anyone.
But
So how come you can bypass and you can
no
issue
question
the
of
permissions to
bypass. No
them?
question of
You have
bypass.
bypassed the.
Let me your statement. Let me also say the same thing.
So tell me,
bypass.
you have how you have given EIA permission?
Again and again,
Without
you
EIA
are saying
permission.
if it is required.
No.
If it is required, is required.
No,
No question of bypass.
Just give me a date. Just give me a date.
Next week I will talk to my officer.
No, but I want a proper date and time. Today itself.
No, let me talk to my officer. And
You talk to him right now.
Okay, sorry.
Right now you talk to him and I want the
I
date
have-
and time. Proper date and time I want.
instruction. I will give you instruction. In writing
Because
will be there.
DCP department don't come. I don't know why. Why you not find that?
No. Where is the question will be?
Because then you'll have to come. You'll have to check what is happening over there right now.
Next, yeah. Okay, yeah.
So second thing is this. I had sent you a letter
Yeah, okay.
regarding a violation on the beach.
Yeah.
Okay. So they are constructing a concrete wall.
Ah, this is what I
Public
will do.
place.
This is what that's
So-
the pattern of
Oh,
okay, okay.
तो त्याने तुम्ही permission
fine.
दिला नाही का?
You are mentioning excavation of sand to me.
Sent.
Yeah,
Then they have constructed concrete wall. They have started constructing concrete wall.
What your letter mentioned? I'm going to
That's not because they had not seen when we visited the site. This letter I sent you earlier.
Okay, fine. Yeah, okay.
Seeing
I just saw it
media reports.
Correct. That's
So
okay.
after that, when I visited the site, I had seen that there is a construction.
Okay,
There
fine.
is a concrete wall construction. I had called CRZ.
Okay, yeah.
Team had come. Talati had come over there.
Yeah.
But TCP nobody had come.
Okay.
Okay, I called TCP people. Nobody came over there.
Okay, okay.
But there is a construction.
Okay.
I just want to know whether you have issued any permission to that.
More colleagues are going to be
Yeah, let them come inside.
I think more as than that way that like it shouldn't happen that all your thing ultimately what you want is that ordinary, so let them also
Ultimately, I want everything.
okay fine then that will be
This
done.
is a public thing. This is not my personal.
Ultimately, we want to stop TCP's.
Okay, fine. Yes.
That's what it is.
This is what is happening. Without, I don't know why your team didn't appear with
I
that.
really don't know, but I will it be.
You don't know anything.
This I have received now. This on this like
No. This, I called them. I called on the flying squad number.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
CZMA people at me.
Okay, yeah.
Talati local type called deputy collector.
Okay.
Talati had came over.
Okay, fine. Okay.
But TCP people, none of them had came.
So if it is flying squad, how would you present it? How is there on the flying
He's not
squad?
there.
No, maybe like the
He
flying squad.
didn't came over there.
Okay.
And there is the concrete construction is happening.
Okay, now we are ready to it. As of now, what you mentioned of this side.
But you have given them permission.
I
to
really
that.
don't know.
You just find it out and just let me know right now.
What is this right now?
Right now, I want to know right now.
What that is right now?
I can go here and
Right now,
office. Why I'm thinking
somebody will
so.
have to verify. You need going on the site. Then what it is all about.
No, I want to know whether you have given the
No,
permission. So and so side, I have to mention the.
No, but nothing is mentioned here. You are saying something about like that.
I'll give you the survey number.
Okay,
I'll
give
give
me
you the survey number.
some
Where by one?
some letter comes to me saying that this is to inform large scale damage done to shoulder at Bambolim Beach is being done by excavating sand. And you want like, what action is taken right now? You want?
No. I want
to mention on
I
the sand somebody.
listen.
Yeah.
I want to know whether your staff had come over there.
So how I can tell again?
So that's what
Which
I'm
is
saying.
this letter I have received now.
See,
This
this
is today's date, sir.
This is not
This
now.
letter is the- I have received.
Check the data. Check the data.
This check.
Check the
This
data.
today's
This is
I have
9/4 2025.
I have-
What is that?
yeah.
9/4.
I have taken today's document. Today's document.
Listen. And I have inverted copy. The inward copy is there. Okay, again, I want to drink.
Okay, fine. Okay, check in my map. I have map is now. The concern officer. Yeah.
So the concern of the
Second, yeah.
see, this is one thing.
Yeah.
The other thing is that I personally have called.
What else?
I've got flying squad.
Oh,
This
okay,
is
fine, sport. Okay, fine. No,
So
that's
they
fine.
should
Yeah,
have
okay.
sent their
It comes to the
lieutenant
flying
without
squad.
the-
My person is there on the flying squad. So the flying squad.
Nobody has given. Nobody has given.
That have been checked. with the
So
flying
I want
squad.
to, I want the entire details of this.
See, yeah, fine.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
The next thing is there. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is about construction. Construction तुम्ही परमिशन देता.
Okay.
सो लोकांचा जो डिमांड नेवरा विलेज पंचायत
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, हा, हा.
लोकांचा जो डिमांड असलो की तो जो रोड असा सायडीक शेतान वचपाक लागून रोड जाय म्हणून.
Okay,
तो
yeah.
6 मीटर रोड असपाक
Okay.
जाय 3 मीटर सोडला तो एक्झिस्टिंग रोड असलो
Yeah,
शेतान ट्रॅक्टर मशिनरी वचपाक
Did this
पण तुम्ही सगळे परमिशन त्यांना दिला दुसरे
Okay, yeah.
तो 2 बायो असलो की आम्ही सायड विजिट केली
Okay.
टीसीबीचे येयले हांगा येयले
Okay.
सो that time we had site inspected but the plan
Mhm.
TCB जो plan असलो पळय त्या प्लॅनार वेल्स दाखयनासले तो
Okay.
रोड दाखयनासलो
Okay.
आणि जर रिलिजियस प्लेस आसली म्हणजे त्या जाग्यार गुडी पाडव्याचो तो हे जाता स्पिरिच्युअल हे जाता सगळो
Fine.
रिलिजियस थिंग सो ती स्पेस त्याला सोडपाक लायली
Okay.
पण अजून पर्यंत तुमचे डिपार्टमेंट
सोडपाक कोणाक
तो स्पेस ओपन स्पेस सोडपाक लायला ओपन
with
स्पेस
the party, with the owner.
Yeah,
Okay.
with the party.
Okay.
But अजून पर्यंत रिप्लाय काय होऊना टीसीबीच्या थ्रू अजून पर्यंत त्यांच्याही थ्रू रिप्लाय काय होऊना सो हांव नको कित्याक तुम्ही डिले करता ते दिस वॉज इन फेब्रुवारी
I'm good for your version. There's nothing wrong with it. Public sentiment, local religious sentiment, I'm always there. But I think तुम्ही म्हणले त्याप्रमाणे ओनरला सांगितलं असं सोड म्हणून तो. No, kind of support your message. Yeah, yeah, please.
ज्यांना तुमची टीसीबी येता
बरं, okay, okay.
टीसीबी तुम्ही परमिशन दिता तुम्ही सायटी विजिट करिना
करतात ते definitely, yeah.
करता
Yeah, yeah.
सो जेन्ना तुम्ही सायटी विजिट करता तेन्ना तुमकां बायो दिसना
असतो ते ना,
तुमचं वाट खंयच्यान वयता ती दिसना
Why not only you sort let me know
So,
whether
how-
I expect
how-
it or
how-
not, whether
how-
you just know
how-
nothing
how-
about it.
how- how-
No except to buy
बस
product.
काय त्यांचं नातं म्हणजे आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आमदार कन्सल्ट करतो म्हणजे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट आहे त्यांना बांबोळीचे इथले वडले येतात
होय.
बीचर
No, 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 no. एक मिनिट.
प्रोजेक्ट तुम्ही हे केला.
Delivery boy
एक-
सारखं-
एक-
कोणतं आमदार
We are not
कन्सल्ट
supposed to-
करणार आमदार आमच्या पासून येणे तुझं प्रोजेक्ट
तसे कसे सांगू?
आता
तुम्ही कसं कन्सल्ट करनासतना माझे 100 मिनिस्टर झाला आपण तुम्ही तेच करता आता म्हाका एक सांग या ऑल रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट आता विलेज पंचायतीचो हे देल्लीकार घेऊन हांव तुका सांगता हे देल्लीकार घेऊन दादागिरी करता आमच्या विलेजीन हे लेटर जे केला विलेज पंचायती सगळे लोकांनी हे लेटर केन्ना केल्ले हे केन्ना केल्ले लेटर फेब्रुवारी जेन्ना 10 नोव्हेंबरान केल्ले लेटर ओके लेटर नोव्हेंबरान करून तुमची रिप्लाय ना हेजेर काय ना आता ही सगळी सिग्नेचर आख्या गांवच्या लोकांची सिग्नेचर आसा सगळे गांवच्या लोकांची पळय कितले सिग्नेचर आसा हे पर्सनल म्हाजे न्हू हे सगळे लोकांचे आणि जेन्ना तुम्ही इतले लेटर केले कंप्लेन केली तरी पूण तुमचो काय रिप्लाय येना लेटर येना कितें जातलेली काय तुमचे डिपार्टमेंट काय पडलेच ना तुमचो पडले दिल्लीकारांचे
No, it is not that you are baselessly allegation.
No, I'm very तुमचो प्लेस म्हाका जाले तुमचो जेन्ना तुम्ही येता
मागच्या पडले
I know we are giving good things. This is not problem.
माझं ऐक
Just saying.
प्लीज तू इथे नाटका करू ना आम्ही क्वेश्चन रिप्लाय घेवपाक गेला नाटका घेवपाक घेवपाक
I will tell
म्हाका रिप्लाय जाय
I will tell
हांव रिप्लाय जाय म्हाका
I will
जेन्ना जेन्ना म्हाका एक सांग तुम्ही प्लॅन करता तेन्ना पळयना सायटीचे जर बाय आसा जेन्ना रेजिस्टर्ड बाय आसा ती रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर बाय दाखयता ती रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर बाय दाखोवन बसून तुम्ही थंय बाय दाखोवंक ना ती पब्लीक बाय आसा ती
let me show.
सो हे प्रोजेक्ट जालें तुम्ही टीसीबी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिसर वयता ती सायनी मारता तेंका सगळी परमिशन दिता तेंची सगळे हे करता ते हाडून ते बोर्ड मारता ते सांगता की आमी टीसीबी कळलेले हे सगळे जाता म्हणून
त्यांना जर वीस रिप्रेझेंट करून घेतलेलं असं डेफिनेटली लुक let my officer send him the
दॅट्स व्हॉट आय सेइंग तुमचे नोव्हेंबरान कंप्लेन घातलेली अजून पर्यंत तुजो रिप्लाय अजून पर्यंत तेका म्हाका हांगा येवचो पडलो हांवें बाय कंप्लेन घातली सगळे कंप्लेन घालीत रावपाचे पण तुम्ही रिप्लाय करता ना
You are right on your point. So something has to be replied. It cannot be just lying like that. Okay? Yes,
That's what we are saying. Why I came over here because I'm not received a single reply from this department.
My duty to tell him that nothing doing. It has to be replied. Whatever.
Where?
Yes, sir. within around 8 to 10 days, I will.
Why 8 to 10 days? From November, I am the person. From November, it is not 2 days back or 3 days back.
He has not especially let him.
You should have given a stop order or show us notice to them. No?
Let to talk to him now that you have got it to my notice. See, this was the first thing I have already marked to him, this particular case, which has now come to me. Already told him that Sanglata letter is going to him. He to investigate and find out what is the and take action on it.
That's simple. मागे SPD आता ऑफिसरसाठी CP ऑफिस हे कोणाला लावायचं? मला नाही. कोणाला आन्सर दे बा. कोणाला लागलं? हे कोणाला लावायचं?
Of course, गोळ्या करून ना. So,
हे कोणाला लावायचं?
त्याकडे आमदार घेऊचे पडतात वर्षला तो 24
कोणाला लावायचं?
आता थोडं सांगता
all कोयकाचं जिथे गोळ्या
कोणची गोयका? दिल्लीच्या नेता त्या गोयका. कोणची गोयका?
no such thing की
दिल्लीला का तुम्ही आता?
there is no
हो प्रॉपर्टी ओनर दिल्लीला आणि तुम्ही या दिल्लीला सपोर्ट करता.
but there is no way.
नाही तुम्ही रिप्लाय घ्या.
दिल्लीवाला आहे लोक, मुंबईवाला आहे लोक, पुनावाला आहे लोक, पंजाबी is but somebody comes to us with a proper plan, then that we have to grant it. We don't say you are Delhi, sorry, not doing for you, sorry, you are Mumbai, sorry,
You are talking about legal things.
legal things.
So legal things सुद्धा आता तुम्ही illegal कशी करता?
That part.
How you are not doing
You know,
illegal?
but right.
When Delhikar are coming over here, they आपल्याची जे submit करता, whatever they submit, they are fraudulent submit
No,
करता.
that-
But तुम्ही how come you all can accept?
So-
When there is a regional plan, the regional plan तुम्ही bypass करून त्याचा काय सांगले? त्यांचं plan तुम्ही
I
approve
already
करता.
told you.
When that person is submitting his plan, ऐका बघा, तो plan माझं submit हा फक्त ऐक submit करतो. तू तो approve करतो.
No, definitely not. Because we are supposed to verify it. We are supposed to see what he has given is technically right or not. Accordingly, permission is
हा,
given.
correct.
And if for some reason he has not given a proper thing, if he has done something to obtain the permission by which fraudulently not showing proper documentation, then definitely action, that is revocation or supervision, all things.
So आता from November we are waiting.
No, that is what I check. No,
From November we are waiting.
नाही.
So that's why
नाही.
November तो जो एक काम चालू होता.
ऑफिसरना असे परमिशन दिला विदाउट चेकिंग त्याच्यावर ऍक्शन करतात
no, I will not say now. It is
ना
not
बिकॉज ज्यांना आम्ही साईड इन्स्पेक्शन केले
Understood. Okay.
that time we saw that the survey plan was completely false.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
This point was brought up to the concerned TCP official who had come.
Yes. Okay.
He then had not mentioned it.
आणि तेही सांगतो तुका.
त्याच्यावर action कशी वाटते?
ना ना तेही सांगतो तुका. ते बोलले आमका धमकी दिता गोंय कारण धमकी दिता तुमची घरां मोडटले म्हणून तुमचं हे ओडयतले म्हणून आणि पुलीस कंप्लेन करता. Let us- हे प्रॉब्लेम कोणाला जाता? हो प्रॉब्लेम कोणाला जाता?
तुमचं आता हायकोर्टाने
ना.
डायरेक्ट सेक्शन मेन्शन केले असतात सगळे तुमची बेनिफिशरी एक्सपोज केले असतात एक्सपोज केले असतात हे करून द्या मग तुम्ही तर तुमच्या ऑफिसर
No, but now that submit ILS of Mullo, let me check policy.
ना म्हाका एक कळपाक जाय.
Something, yes, what
म्हाका एक कळपाक जाय. ते दिल्लीला धमकी दिता कोणाला दिता धमकी?
He
तुमचे दाखयता हे बरं TCP
must be citing some document he just obtained.
ना तो धमकी आमच्या लोकांना तो दिता.
Let me.
कसं लोकांना धमकी देता? तुमच्या उत्तर देता आणि कोणाचे उत्तर देता? ते तुम्ही त्याला परमिशन दिलं सगळी
Permission
grant केलं
grant
म्हणून.
if something has come by law, if some permission is obtained, he might have been citing, I have got a permission.
ते
If that is
बाय
obtained
लॉ
wrongly,
सर एक काम कर
सपोर्ट
सर एक काम कर तू आता इथं सांगता सगळं तू डेप्युटी टाउन प्लॅनर घालता
Yeah.
सगळे तर तू डेप्युटी टाउन प्लॅनर आणि एमएलएसी जॉईंट मीटिंग आहे आपण नेक्स्ट वीक दी गुड फ्रायडे पहिली दी
No.
नाही नाही, आपण सगळं डेप्युटी टाउन घालता आता तू सगळं डेप्युटी टाउन
No,
हे
आपलं बाहेर घेऊन येता.
डेप्युटी टाउन बसून आहे ना का
काय माहिती
जॉईंट
सगळे आपली कंपनी घेतल्या लेटर गेला तुमका ती सगळी घेऊन बसता all the staff is concerned about standards and constancy.
first I
With all the documentation.
I will first call this officer to check which are not pending for not taking action or which are required to be, and then after taking
No, म्हाका एकूच सांग म्हाका एकूच सांग तुम्ही रिप्लाय घेतोय ना आपल्या जेन्ना इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह तुमका क्वेश्चन करता एक लेटर करता रिप्लाय घेतोय ना तुम्ही वाय ऑल्सो रिप्लाय व्हॉट इज द प्रॉब्लेम
I so probably you are.
ना ना तेका आपण मीडिया डोंट टेल मी म्हाका एकूच सांग तुझं प्रॉब्लेम किती आता
No
हे
problem.
हे आहे हे आता 39A
Okay.
ओके 39A चे आमचे सानानरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी
Yes,
हो बोलतो सर्वे नंबर असा एक मिनिट
Yes.
एन लँड झोन चेंज आसा 74,115
Okay.
ओके आणि नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप आसा 7,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर लँड आसा
This is under.
ओके 39 हे जे तुम्ही हे तुम्ही जे घातला ओके हे तुम्ही घातला तेजेर आम्ही लेटर केल्ले ऑब्जेक्शन फायल
Fine, okay.
सो वाय आय हॅव नॉट रिसिव्ड
Then this is all going, this is already veterinary public opinion suggestion, and then there is already a remedy inbuilt provision as a, which you have already given, and that nothing is finally approved. Nothing is finally approved. So there is a question about third police, but yeah, we can
They have to reply to me, no? आता आणखी एक रेल्वे नोंद झाली हे बांबोली विलेज
there
पंचायत
is no
आसा
independent.
हे मंडूर विलेज पंचायतीन आसा
Yeah.
हे बांबोली विलेज पंचायत आसा
Okay, yeah, right.
84 बार सर्वे नंबर बांबोली विलेज पंचायत
Yeah, okay.
हे आसा मंडूर विलेज पंचायत 59 सर्वे नंबर मंडूर विलेज पंचायत
They know
ही
that.
सगळी आसा पळय.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
हे डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हिल कटिंग आसा ओके आणि
Yeah,
हे जे ओव्हरऑल जो हे आसा प्रिस्कॉनच आसा
okay.
सो हे सगळे जे आसा हेजेर तुम्ही तुमकां रिप्लाय घेत मेळना
No question of being replied on 39A. There are no independent replies. Now let me bring you to a notice the provisions under section 39A. First 39A, I will Barubar, whoever submits it, it goes before the TCB board. TCB board first goes for provisional consideration. की बाबा कोणी apply केले असा consider करचे का ना करचे. If it is considered, right? So okay, तुला मी got taken on consideration, not approved. So then it is sent for the public and then get a notification. Plus local newspaper राजनी करता आम्ही की अमके अमकाने apply केले असा पण ऑब्जेक्शन झाले provision म्हणून. With that, as you rightly suggested, तुम्ही response केला असा. Then it goes second time for the board meeting wherein we compile all the objection suggestion. Mr. S, Y, Z, त्याने अमके म्हणला etc. And then it goes for second time to the board. And that time the board are recommend केले, then only it is followed the approval. But till then nothing is approved. In this case, nothing is approved. Besides, it is already under High Court thing. The High Court said we are also not going to grant any final approvals till we give the further instruction. So in this matter, Katlani, not a single case is final. So you are considering this still under our review. Offer consideration for your objections. Statement I can tell you.
हांव सिंपल विचारलो
Right.
अग्रिमेंट तुम्ही हाडला फायनल म्हणटा
Katlani is not error. 72 is error.
आणि अग्रिमेंट
Katlani is a change of zone.
चेंज ऑफ
Yeah.
झोन चेंज ऑफ झोन कसं
Correct.
आता चेंज ऑफ झोन तुम्ही आउटसाइड लँड नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्लो तुम्ही वेटलँड बफर झोन हे सगळे तुम्ही तितून घातले
No. कोणे अप्लाय करपाक कोणा बंदी ना पण ते ताचे अंडर किती कन्सिडर करते त्याला गाईडलाईन्स रूल्स फ्रेम केले आसा अंडर विच ईच एंड एवरी
So how you
can
सिंपल
या सांग
विथ द एलक्यू व्हॉट इज हेजे तुम्ही आम्ही घातलाय
बरोबर
हे तू बेश्टे नाका
No, I'm not telling you anything. I'm telling you the facts of the case, or I'm telling you the provisions of the acts only. That's what we-
लँड यूज चेंज जावंक
Okay, yeah.
लँड यूज चेंज जेन्ना म्हणटात
Okay.
लँड यूज चेंज म्हळ्यार सगळो तुम्ही दोंगर आसा प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट आसा
Okay.
प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट चेंज करता
Check करत ना जालो
ना,
बरें.
करू ना आता तुम्ही कन्सिडरेशन दिला
These
ताका
are my talk of something
How
like
can-
that. Cross the green,
Listen to me.
free, yeah.
Listen to me.
And
ऐकय मातसो
जे झालेच ना ते
Turn
आपण
round,
बोलू.
turn round, turn
Now,
round.
where's the question?
Turn round ऐकय
When we
मातसो.
are telling
ना,
something.
ना, झालेच ना.
Ah, झालेच ना.
पळय, म्हाका सांग.
Question of
तुमचो
it.
जो हे आसा स्टेटमेंट आसा कन्सिडरेशन
Ah, okay.
कन्सिडरेशन केन्ना येता जेन्ना तुम्ही वयता जेन्ना टीसीपी डिपार्टमेंट आसा ऑफिशियल वयता
Okay.
सायडीन वयता पळयता आ बाबा दिस कॅन बी चेंज
Ah, okay.
करेक्ट
Ah,
येस ऑर नो
But then, okay, fine.
सो तुम्ही वचून पळयले थंय सायडीन
तुम्ही consider no, where's the question of it? I mean, not directly आमचे
नाव हे तुमकां डायरेक्शन दिला कोर्टान दिला हे तुमकां डायरेक्शन दिला कोर्टान म्हाका तू सांग जेन्ना तुमचे तुमचो एलिक्यू रिप्लाय आसा सिंपल तुमचो एलिक्यू रिप्लाय आसा तितून टीसीबी डिपार्टमेंट हॅज पुट इट फॉर कन्सिडरेशन कन्सिडरेशन म्हणल्यार कितें जेन्ना तुमी सायडीन वचोंक वयता नॉट फॉर
No,
तुम्ही सायडीन वचोंक
no, you
वयता
are using wrong vocabulary. It is not put for consideration. It is put for inviting suggestion from the public. That is not when it gets the
that is the
increase your yourself.
that is the next stage. Yeah. Later on, when consideration is there, TCB department will put it for consideration. म्हटल्यार कितें? जेन्ना तुम्ही private forest आसा तो consider केला
Consideration does not settlement for approval. Consideration is whether
I'm not talking about approval. Approval comes in the later stage. But consideration is from your part.
Consideration is
How you all can consider?
consideration is
When it is a private forest, how you all can consider?
when is the question of consideration.
How you are going to consider?
करचे का ना करचे is
Yes,
consideration.
करचे काय ना करचे
Exactly.
सिंपल लँग्वेज सांग
Exactly.
जी कन्सिडरेशन
करचे काय ना-
जेन्ना करचे काय ना करचे जेन्ना प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट तुम्ही करचे काय ना करचे घालता तेन्ना टीसीबी डिपार्टमेंट जेन्ना रिजनल प्लॅन आसा आणि तितून तुम्ही करचे काय ना करचे घालता
Okay.
म्हटल्यार आमी तुका कितें
Private forest the rules it is not permitted.
नो डेव्हलपमेंट सो तुम्ही घालता कन्सिडरेशन
See, कोणाक बंद
तुम्ही पास केलं
कोणाक
17 गोवाच्या अंडर पास केली मग
automatic गेले नाही. So
मग ते सांगता तुका कितें सेम थिंग तुम्ही म्हाका एक सांग की 39A अंडर एका लास्ट टाइम सांगलें मिनिस्टरांकूय सांगलेले
Okay.
की 39A अंडर आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीची घेतलीच कशी तुम्ही
Where is the question on not taking? No, this is something like you are taking.
कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाक घेतली कशी
We are following
जेन्ना
the law.
जेन्ना
Provisions of the law say that whoever uses X, Y, Z can apply. So now whether to consider or not to consider, there's a procedure for that. If it is permissible by law, it is subject one nasa. So there is no question of further consideration. But no power.
तुका एक्झाम्पल दिता
Yeah.
एक्झाम्पल दिता तुका हो खंयचो हो बांबोली भासान ओके
This is under 39 you are mentioning about. So there is a question. I'm not commenting anything.
Nine-
because I am not
94
supposed to
bar
comment
one.
because there is board to decide on that.
94 bar one.
Yeah, okay.
हो
Okay.
पार्टली नॅचरल कव्हर आसा पार्टली नो डेव्हलपमेंट
Okay.
मात हो तुम्ही कन्सिडरेशन घातला
Because then where is the question saying no? But one is applying like this. I should be giving you a chance. Or rather than my level, I'm buying this. No, why you are giving not giving the
75% तुझं नॅचरल कव्हर
So
आसा
definitely, who knows the better? It will
75%
So there is a
नॅचरल नो डेव्हलपमेंट
So if you follow the procedure and the provision of final test to be assumed,
No.
there will be definitely each and every objection will be considered. Yeah.
क्वेश्चन तुका एकूच आसा की म्हाका एक सांग की
Mhm.
जेन्ना तुम्ही हो पळयता की तुमचे ऑफिसर पळयता काय ना गेले ते सायडीन
Of
39 गेले तुमचे सायडीन गेले तेन्ना तो फॉरेस्ट आसा दोंगर आसा
Okay. Yes.
फॉरेस्ट नो डेव्हलपमेंट
Okay.
ओके हो सगळो ग्रेडियंट आसा
Okay.
तरी पण तुम्ही त्याका कितें कन्सिडरेशन कित्याक म्हणना
Now, this is म्हणतात जाल्यार it has to go before the channel.
ना बट सर्टन थिंग्स गेला नॉट अप्लाय
No, no, why?
Why?
You want to say no, so it has to go through the same channel. Otherwise, you will say, you know, you have not followed my procedure. How you have directly rejected my proposal? You have got all the right to have the grievances against me. I will be biased to say
रेफरन्स नो नो ना म्हाका सांग
Now you yourself
तुम्ही
say-
म्हणटा पळय ना तुम्ही आता म्हणटा पळय त्याला तुम्ही हेच रेफरन्स दिवपाक जाय न्हू नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्कोप आसा तो फॉरेस्ट नॅचरल कव्हर आसा दिवपाक जाय
It is there, no,
तेन्ना बिफोर कन्सिडरेशन घालता बोर्डार घालता तुम्ही काय
बोर्डात
घालता
आता
मागीर
बोर्डात आता
तुम्ही पास करता मागीर जाय
पास केलंच ना त्याला
हेचो पयलीं केला न्हू
आधी political
हेचो पयलीं 72 अंडर किती पास केला
पास पडता तो ultimate-
तुम्ही पास केलेच ना कितें म्हणटा तुम्ही कॉन्स्टन्सीन घालतले हेच पास करतले म्हणटा आपण जाय तशें
You as the elected representative also, you have got a right to object, which you have done also.
I have done
Yeah.
what I have objected. You have to reply at least no.
There is no provision of individual reply.
Who said there is no
But also,
this is on the MLA letter. I have filed a
But how we can
complaint. I have filed an objection.
Again, reply to you will go, your objection is under
So you have to
consideration.
reply.
It is under
You have to reply to
consideration.
us that is why so it is under consideration. Whatever it is, you
Under
have to
consideration
reply.
with your own, when you will say how you can consider my thing.
No. You have to reply whatever is there right now. Whatever is the procedure, you have to reply.
Present the final decision on whether it Mr. X, Y, Z is considered or not is the second.
No.
There
That
is no
will come out the
There
newspaper.
is no
That will come out the
there is
newspaper.
no internet.
But I'm a letter will give factor.
Let it go. Is it considered? No. You are
No. How I don't know that it is considered.
That is what at the time of board will decide. No. So
And
the
you cannot
board
tell you
goes to
you
government.
put it in the dustbin then.
When the question of this, when each and everything is recorded.
Everything is recorded and you should reply.
That is what not reply. No individual. Reply will come to you. Whether
Why there is no individual reply?
reply is taken.
म्हाका एक सांग आम्ही आता म्हाका एकूच सांग
सांग please.
आमचो आता टॅक्स पेयराचो पयसो
Okay.
ह्या गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंटाक वयता सगळें
Okay.
तुका
बरं.
ओके म्हाका घाल
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Exactly.
आता हो जो टॅक्स पेयराचो मनी वयता पळय
Okay.
हे आता आमी कंप्लेन करता लॉटरी करता आमी सँक्शन मागल्या
चालेल, okay.
तेका रिप्लाय दिवपाची म्हणून तो खंयचे करा कायदा आसा
असं तुम्ही काय त्याच्यात रिप्लाय दिवचा असं म्हणतो तुम्ही जगायच करा इन दॅट केस एक असं बघा यू टेल मी दॅट इंडिव्हिज्युअल रिप्लाय शॅल बी गिवन टू ईच अँड एव्हरीबडी यू
No, not about you can when the letter comes to you have to reply then.
No, this reply will go before the TCP board. So the representation goes to the TCP board.
But TCP
No, yes or no, Mulpan. And then will be finally considered केले का ना केले. At that time it will come. We are not reached to that stage at all. So that's the
Okay, so तेच म्हाका काय
Okay.
नॉर्मल तुका लेटर येयले
Okay.
लेटर यू हॅव रिसीव्ड सो अँड सो ऑब्जेक्शन लेटर ते तर रिप्लाय दिवंक
For what? Under 39A?
या
Where the question of 39 is the procedure, that's what I'm trying to tell the same thing. 39 is different act altogether. There is no question, I'm not a deciding authority on that. Once you apply,
how come you are not deciding authority you are in
I'm on board. I'm on the board. And on board there is another committee altogether. It is chaired by
but you are there in the
I'm in the committee, but how can I talk in the board when they are not
how
deciding?
how you can't talk You can talk.
Board has not decided only. Where the question of me telling you?
Why you are saying that you
Why
can't talk?
board has not decided only. Where the question of
तू बोर्डार असा तू मरे कोणी किती सांगतो आन्सर
I will first tell you to speak on whatever then we will see. But then what? Then
जॉईंट मीटिंग आहे
म्हाका दोन्ही सायडीचे दोन्ही सायडीचे सायड इन्स्पेक्शन जाय दुसरे तुम्ही कितें परमिशन दिल्या दिवना तेजी जॉईंट मिटींग जाय तूं मागीर टावन प्लॅनर तुमचेर घालतात ते कॅबिनेट टावन प्लॅनर तुमचेर घालतात आमी थंय
also professional. I will tell separate town planner to report to senior town planner, brief or whatever it is. Let it be the proper channel because she is deciding the senior town planner. There is not a hierarchy. Let them see, and if there is something to be acted, definitely we will act. If there is something wrongly done, everything he has to reply.
सिंपल म्हाका सांगता आमदाराक तुका येवन सांगचें पडटा रिक्वेस्ट
No, you don't have to.
लास्ट टाइम म्हाका बसचो पडलो
So then,
तुमकां रिप्लाय दिवपाक तुमची लास्ट टाइम म्हाका दिसभर रातचो
and I don't think you will deny that.
बट तुम्ही टीचिंग डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक आसा बाकीचे डिपार्टमेंट तुमचे डिपार्टमेंट
ऑलरेडी मार्क आसा तेणी नोव्हेंबराचे लेटर अजून तुमकां रिप्लाय करूंक ना बट तुमकां रिप्लाय करपाक जाय आतां कितें करूं तेणी तेका अल्टिमेट नंबरचे लेटर
मार्क आसा
रिप्लाय करता तो
Understood, ma'am.
आणि बसला नाही हे कोण
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. MLA Abhishek Bulgar is here with me. Like there are some question, some presentation he had done to this body office. So which still remain unanswered. Somewhat lately, 2-3 days back, and somewhat February, etc.
November.
Let's expect this one. All the wherever inspection is required, because they have got some very reasons, etc. So they have to be reported back to you. No? So after inspection, whatever, wherever if something misrepresentation is done, something not found as something, then why we have to act whatever it is. So let him act within another 10 days or something. Let report and then let some wherever required, let action be taken. Yeah. Oh, this is not good. Okay, yeah. So we can declare what even I suspected. Like, okay, I agree, but instruct him that all is a letter, whatever are there, each and every letter should be answered, whatever it is. Yeah, yeah. Right, no? Oh, okay, take that. Right, no? All right, fine, yeah. Yeah, this is senior from there. Yes, you instruct him in nothing to actually support. Everything has to be answered. You got all the right to get your answer.
तुमचो
Oh, yeah, so replacement.
वर्किंगचो तो सायड इन्स्पेक्शनचो रिपोर्ट दिला
Okay.
रिपोर्ट दिला
Two ranks for.
नो दिस इज टीसीबी ओके और रिपोर्ट दो आता तिथून त्यांनी मेन्शन केलं ओके वन वेल होते नाम करतो ये एलटीसी नाम दी और रिपोर्ट एज पर तुमचो टीसीबी चा रिपोर्ट आणि याच्या वेळी प्लॅनरचा रिपोर्ट काहीच ना म्हणजे तुम्ही बाहेर जाऊ ना आता सेकंडली तो एग्रीकल्चर पर्पज बाकी शेतात आमची नेवरा हांगा एक्सचेंज करपाक तीच वाटत आता तुम्ही कितें केल्यार तुम्ही त्याला परमिशन दिले
Okay.
तो म्हणटा की आपल्या डीसीबीन परमिशन दिला आपण डीसीबी जाय तशें दिला आपण आपल्याक कोण
That's fun.
मग कशें दिला तुम्ही 3 मीटर हे वाट सोडली म्हटले नॅशनल पाथवे तेका 3 मीटर मग ती 6 मीटर पाथवे जाग्याक आता समज मशिनरी वाडटा हावस्टर वाडटा जाल्यार तेका व्हडली एरिया जाय हावस्टरा तुम्ही पहिला हावस्टर हावस्टराक व्हडली फ्लोर दोन्ही सायडच्यान दुर्गा स्टार्ट केली तेका ऑलरेडी कन्स्ट्रक्ट केले बांदली दोन्ही सायड आता व्हरतले कशें म्हाका सांग व्हरतले कशें
In that case, 3 meter also, he must have voluntarily left from his thing. Is it acquired by any agency? Is it acquired by? So you will always say,
म्हाका सांग ट्रेडिशनल एका पाथवे असता
traditional pathway is 1.5.
ट्रेडिशनल रोड आसा एक्सेस आसा हियर मशिनरी आसा एग्रीकल्चर पर्पजाक तो कोण ब्लॉक करू शकना अडवू शकना
Understood.
कोणाचो असू तो हो तुम्ही टीसीपी मार्क करून गेल्लो तुम्ही रोलान फेल जाल्ले
3 meter mark केलं तुम्ही
ना 3 मीटर मार्क करू ना तो 3 मीटर त्याने दाखयला म्हणून तुम्ही हे केला.
only has 200 meters.
हे चोर बट बाय गेला नॉट मार्क तो म्हणटा की आपल्यान सोडला तो आता कसं झाला
Mark is the first.
मार्क तुम्ही करून जाल्लो न्हू की 6 मीटर सोडचो म्हणून
कोणीतरी सोडलं ultimately what is the yes
पण 6 मीटर सोडचो म्हणून ताका सांगतालो न्हू
पण त्याला
म्हाका सुद्दां त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीन भितूर तो डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक 6 मीटर सोडटा आणि शेतकारांक वचपाक शेतकारांक हे वाट दवरपाक तो 6 मीटर सोडू शकना तो प्लॅन तुम्ही सारको पळयलो मरे
Okay.
तुम्ही त्या फॉरेस्ट
But that's what yes,
मीटर
they are saying-
त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीन तू वाट करता 6 मीटर दिलो मरे आणि जेन्ना लोकांना हेका शेतकाराक वचपाक सोदता तू यो एक दीस
ते approval टायमाचेर त्यांनी actually ते
तू
लोकांना-
यो एक दीस
But-
एग्रीकल्चर शेत पळोवपाक
Now,
येवलेशें
you got the
तू
point.
पयल्या कळटा
Is
तुका
there- is there any such thing put by the तुम्ही म्हणले letter like that? This is पंचायत
No, but
representative.
one thing I would to know.
पंचायत
What-
representation.
No, 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 no.
पंचायत सगळ्यांनी रिप्रेझेंटेशन केला तुम्ही त्यावेळेस कळलं ना
When there is a traditional access, is there any provision that it should be acquired?
No, traditional access असं नाही. Traditional access, traditional access.
So
But
that's
over
what,
and above तुम्ही सांगल्याप्रमाणे 3 meter access he himself has provided म्हणतात नेहमी.
see,
Now your demand is that instead of 3 meter it should be 6 now. So okay.
आता सिंपल जेन्ना तो प्रॉपर्टी घेऊन घ्या तेच प्रॉपर्टी आसा
Okay.
तो डेव्हलप करता ओके डेव्हलप करता तेन्ना
Okay.
तुम्ही वचून सायडीक विजीट करीत
Definitely.
आता तितून सांगा म्हाका जो वार्ड आसा शेतान वचपाक आता थंय शेतां 750 फार्मर्स आसा जाल्यार
Okay.
सर्वे मेंबर्स आसा फार्मर्स
म्हणले
750 वन ऑफ द आय कम आता वन ऑफ द बिगस्ट हाजन लँड इन गोवा सेकंड बिगस्ट हाजन लँड लार्जेस्ट लँड आता ह्या हाजन लँडाक ती एक वाट आसा आता ती वाट जाल्यार ते सायडचे वन पार्ट आसा वन पोजिशन आसा तो टोटल बंद करता सो 3 मीटर्स एक्सेस आसा पण ट्रॅक्टर वचूंक शकता ओके बट हार्वेस्टर वॉन्ट मूव प्रॉपर्ली सो दॅट इज द बिगस्ट प्रॉब्लेम बिकॉज आता तो दोन्ही सायडच्यान कंपाऊंड वॉल बांधता दोन्ही कंपाऊंड वॉल ते हार्वेस्टराक बकेट असता ते बकेट कशें वयतले सो जेन्ना आमी गेले सायडार तेन्ना परत रिक्वेस्ट केली तांकां आनी टिस्पीक सांगले की बाबा 6 मीटर ताका एक्सेस तो सोडतो दुसरो त्यांचो रिलीजियस प्लेस आसा तो सोडतो he has not given anything
No,
in return
But here you said also like he has given
he has not given
local authorities of
yes he has not given in return आता हांगा पळय बाय आसा बाय तुम्ही मेन्शन करूं ह्या सर्वे
I am going on one point details for this, sir. If you with your permission, म्हणजे आम्ही दिले असा. But has पंचायत given permission also on the basis of the
on the basis of your
by the that's why that पंचायत.
no but panchayat is different to your
No, but
no I panchayat is different to your but you have not replied
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
तुम्ही
Exactly, this part will be
check
checked.
करपाक
see,
जाय
what are
दुसरे
contention, what are contention is this builder has misled the panchayat and misled the TCP. Your officer
Yeah, okay.
has given permission based on those misleading documents.
No. So I
Now how did we come to know this?
No,
Now, listen to me.
Part of me.
Aman, listen to
You
me.
only have concluded it. He has said like that he has obtained misguided us.
Yes,
So
so
our
your
clearance source condition number 2 or 3 will mention that if any permission is obtained by misguiding or by
then it should be
misrepresenting,
revoked.
absolutely that condition itself shows it.
So
So he will be liable under that action. He has misguided.
So
So now since November we are trying for that.
November we are following up on
There is
this
procedure for that. The chauffeur notice will have to be issued, which I told in Ram.
It's not issued.
Everything will have
That's
to
why
be
we came here.
So if not it is found that he has obtained something misrepresentation, chauffeur notice will be issued to him, and if it is found really yes, it is misrepresented, our action starts. In the sense that it is a so motor condition itself is there. Then it will be
दुसरे आता ही जी बाय आसा पळय ही बाय तुम्ही दाखवून आपल्याला त्याने आता ते बाय कंपाऊंड होते गेले
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
कंपाऊंड होते त्याला कितें आपली कंपाऊंड ती पब्लीक वेल पब्लीक वेल्यार तो आपणाची पर्सनल वेल करूंक शकता म्हणजे प्रायव्हेट फाल्यां कितें करतलो पब्लीक कोणी एक्सेस करता ती वेल ना ती हाडयतलो ट्राय करतो
Food procedure, yes, awarded all around. It is
तुमचो रिपोर्ट माय कंप्लेंट दिस इज युअर रिपोर्ट दिस इज युअर ऑफिसर
This often I do not be able to comment. The well is within property outside that your ownership is other.
जेन्ना पब्लीक वेल म्हणून रजिस्टर जाता तेन्ना ते कंपाऊंड हॉल ताका हाव कम
You got the right point. I appreciate it. You said it is registered as a public well. If it is public well, there is no question of me compounding and all.
वेल नॉट शोन द वेल
That is what very
So that's the- तुम्ही दाखवत ना वेल
That is what is misrepresented.
तुम्ही बघायचं
तुम्ही
हे समज करता पण म्हाका तुम्ही त्याच्यावर ऍक्शन घेतले स्टाफाचे
सांगेन ऑलरेडी सांगेन स्टाफाचे देर इज अ प्रोसिजर
But-
फॉर दॅट एंड somebody has not properly forwarded.
प्लीज तुम्ही सांगता आपला स्टाफ थंय गेलो वयता आमचे स्टाफ बिफोर गिविंग अ परमिशन जेन्ना ताका रस्त्यार आपल्याली बाय दिसना स्टाफाक कोणी असो
Okay.
रस्त्यार तुमच्या सर्व्यार कोणी वयता ताका रस्त्यार आपल्याली बाय दिसना रस्त्यार असलेली
Let me check.
ते सोड रिजनल प्लॅन ते चेक करिना रिजनल प्लॅन आणि हो प्लॅन कितें आसा त्याने सबमिट केला तो
Original plan by extreme does me. Asad, and that which is not shown.
रिजनल प्लॅन रिजनल प्लॅन तो प्लॅन जो आसा जो त्याने सबमिट केला तो तू त्याचो सबमिट केल्लो प्लॅन तुम्ही सायन मारता मरे
That must be some reasoning for it. That might be some reasoning for it.
Including
I
you.
cannot tell you. I can
you don't check रिजनल प्लॅन कितें आसा हो कितें आसा तो
Defended.
सगळे सायन मारता डायरेक्ट
ना किती reasoning असले or whether he has shown
तुमकां कोणाक भायसून फोन मारता डायरेक्ट साईन मारता त्यात असतले
No, definitely.
कशें तुम्ही साईन मारता
Sign, हांव सांगून तुमकां आतां, let me check.
This is
Why
the
it is
proof.
allowed.
Without
This is
proof,
proof.
this is the
But you
proof.
are reading one, but over and above there could be some other content.
What content?
Which
You
might
can't, you come with me.
which
You
might-
come with me.
which might
You know,
have
हांव दाखयता
expressed,
तुका.
which might have expressed.
तुका हांव फायट दाखयता तुजे आधार हांव दाखयता
But then in that case, it might have been some kind of reason. He might have given की बाबा आपण दुसरा alternative दिता.
Also, बाय स्टंट करतो
I really don't know. I'm saying no.
What joke? How we can shift the well?
No question of shifting well, but I'm saying whether it, what is the
And
role
तो
about
well
the-
पुरानी वाली निकाल दी
Correct. Even
मागीर
as you rightly mentioned, if the public
how you can shift the well?
no question of shifting well, whether an alternate arrangement is made or some
What
alternate
alternate
position is
arrangement
shown.
is made?
No, I really don't
There are
know.
two ways.
Let me check.
आमच्या काउंटी लँग्वेज एक जी आसा ती बाय देवाची आसा देवाची म्हणटा रिलिजियस सेंटिमेंट्स आसा आणि तेका सांगलें ती सोड म्हणून तितली एरिया आणि थंय आमी सेंटिमेंट गोडशें करता देवाचें गोडशें करता गुडी पाडव्या करता तुमकां हांव नाका तुमकां खबर आसतलें
हांव करूंक वचता.
करूंक जाणा
तुम्ही बायकडे म्हणून जाणा. बायकडे
नेवरान
देवाने पळोवन कितें आमी जाणा.
थंय
जात्रा टायमार
सगळे-
we know all this.
थंय सगळे गोडशें करता राखणदार सगळे देवाचें हें करता सो ती एक बाय आसा आणि दुसरी ही बाय आसा सो ह्यो बायो दाखोवंक ना सिंपल थिंग जाला लोकल सगळे थंय जमले लोकांनी ते एग्रीमेंट करता ते आमी तुमच्या कंप्लेन
It's
करता
also been part of that, whatever you call it, some misunderstanding.
ना.
म्हणजे की really part of
प्रॉब्लेम
it.
कितें आसा हांव सिंपल सांगता प्लीज आयक की तुम्ही रिप्लाय दिना
ना,
तुम्ही आन्सर दिना
ना, पण-
तुम्ही कितें आसा तो सोल्युशन दिवपाक सोदता आनी ते एक सायडीन म्हाका अशें तर दिसता की तेका सपोर्ट करता
So,
तुम्ही सपोर्ट करिना जाल्यार तुम्ही ते रिप्लाय दिवपाक जाय तुम्ही एक सायडीन आमकां लोकलांक सपोर्ट करूंक जाय गोंयकारांक सपोर्ट करपाक जाय आनी दिल्लीकारांक सपोर्ट करपाक
Let me
जाय
now again, you are all about now of your part सांगले मला. I have just been कोटाकडे पण आम्ही मग बरेच आमच्या एमएनए like court was very high कि on what basis you revoke this issues that similar kind of things local sentiments आणि किती आहे south side जी case we revoked it. Also, the issue some within to me, another also there was some reprint to on people, and we revoked it. We also felt okay, he should have done something about it. Similar thing I'm telling you. Details I will tell you subsequently later. Finally, he said we revoked it. He went to the court. Court we explored various parts. We also explained why we revoked. We failed. He said no. What does your law says? So law said, court has sometimes by Malik, you are not supposed to guide on this kind only. You are not supposed to act on this particular thing. And I mean, the revoke again this. So we are available both ways. I'm talking this
I'm talking about the legal
So
process.
this
I'm talking about on
I'm
the
talking legal
legal process.
perspective only. So
General-
while revoking also,
जेन्ना
I have
वेल आसा
this
थंय
satisfied, yeah.
पब्लीक वेल आसा रजिस्टर्ड पब्लीक वेल आसा आनी तुमी टीसीपी डिपार्टमेंटान दाखोवंक ना जी त्या बिल्डरान दाखोवंक ना त्या बिल्डरान ती वेल दाखोवंक ना
Perfect thing, yeah.
पण ती वेल थंय आसा ती दिसता रस्त्या सायडीक आसा
So
बट तुमी कांयच दाखयना तेणी पण कळटा की बाबा तुका
already maintained
सेंटिमेंटाचो हें दिना हो रिजनल डेमेज that is the different
legal. Sentiment is
I'm talking about legal thing. Technical and legal thing.
So legal part. I'm
जेन्ना तुमकां ते दिसता पासून तुम्ही एक्शन घेना
No, then
तुमकां रिपोर्टार
let
देता
me check. It will be checked. Let us असं काही नाही की बाबा we are also from university.
So, म्हाका
think by the
म्हाका या दोन्ही एकूच स्टोरी दोन्ही एकूच स्टोरी आहे सर दोन्ही बाबूंक जे आसा तुम्ही केन्ना येता कित्याक ते म्हाका आयजूच ताता
ऑफिसर ना नेक्स्ट वीक लीव नेक्स्ट वीक
आनी ऑफिसर ना तुमचे
It is matter of like link officer, link officer.
तो दिलं म्हणल्यार ते कन्स्ट्रक्शन जातलें ते कन्स्ट्रक्शन रेडी जातलें ना ना ना
केलं जालें जाल्यार सुटलो अशें न्ही जाल्यार जाल्यार फुडें समथींग इज फाउंड रॉंगली डन डेफिनेटली एक्शन विल बी टेकन
चोराक चोरपाक दिता
नो इट इज नॉट डेट
मागीर
तुम्ही म्हणले न्ही कन्स्ट्रक्शन जातलें म्हणून
जातलें.
नो
चोराक चोरपाक दिता
नो देर इज नो क्वेश्चन
चोरू तेका
चोर म्हणटा
मागीर चोराक चोरपाक
नो देर इज द प्रोसिजर
मेळोना लोक ते कसल्यान कसल्यान उलयता
No, I am going. I am responsible to.
तुवें गव्हर्मेंट आयजूच धाडूंक जाय तेका
Anyway,
Inspection are-
let him check.
Let him check.
I already spoken to his senator.
तुम्ही सायड इन्स्पेक्शन
When can they get?
सायड इन्स्पेक्शन डेट दिना म्हणल्यार
You are the
Yeah.
top
Problem is that-
TCP department.
She will speak to her officer and.
ना ना प्रॉब्लेम कितें आसा
No problem. There's no problem only. Which problem? Why?
कोण स्टाफ काय म्हणटा नाव
Consult
सांगा
officer.
कोणतं ऑफिस व्हॉट इज
This what is this what is.
What is this?
Mr. Consult.
वेर इज गोइंग
ती आता सगळं आता म्हाका खबर आसा लगेच अप्लाय फॉर
ना, ना.
लीव सिनियर डाउन शी टोल्ड
तुका तो कित्याक जाय टाउन प्लॅनर केन्ना येयला डेप्युटी टाउन प्लॅनर सर्व्हिस केन्ना येयला खंयच्या सायडीचेर
But let
खंयच्या सायडीचेर येयला
people instruct the concerned officer me.
ना इन्स्ट्रक्ट कर तू इन्स्ट्रक्ट करू शकता
That is what I told
तू
you.
इन्स्ट्रक्ट करू शकता वाय यू कॅन इन्स्ट्रक्ट यू डोंट हॅव पॉवर
I have
यू डोंट हॅव पॉवर टू इन्स्ट्रक्ट
तुम्ही ऐकलं नाही आता तुमच्या घरात सांगले
ना तो लिव्ह ऑफर
तो leader of money.
दिस डिपार्टमेंट इज नॉट अबाउट वन ऑफिसर दिस डिपार्टमेंट इज अबाउट होनेस्टी
That doesn't mean it will stop us. I told her, like, get the inspection done and get the report done.
Why you are not giving me a date? म्हाका डेट द्यावं चललो म्हाका डेट सांग केन्ना दिवं.
Let us give us another, whatever, no problem.
एक विकान न्हू म्हाका ह्या जाल्यार नेक्स्ट वीक मंडे ट्युजडे केन्ना तरी
No, then it's not like that. Kalal per him, right? Then at least, he's a staff worker.
फाल्यां फ्रायडे मरे
Yeah. This
Saturday, Saturday, Monday to Tuesday.
next week का कुछ तो whatever inspection का यार फिर एक बोलकर का है ना यार next week का तीन है ना let them can go and inspect यार Monday स्टॉप हो गया तो जाए तो हम लोग बैंक कर रहेगा no problem let them get the inspect if not then this renting etc let them make on it yeah right yeah that's okay
तू कर
चालेल she was with
हांव हांव येयला तुका मेळपाक
तीन
पळय म्हाका सोल्युशन मेळना
तीन दिवसात
तू एक म्हाजो प्री शेड्यूल कर पळय म्हाका येवंक जाय सायडीन
बट देन
म्हाका बाकीची कामां ना म्हाका मिटिंग्स ना म्हाका कितें आसा
पण तसे आधी म्हणजे स्टॉपवाले तर ही माइट बी अदर इम्प्लिमेंट केले असू शकते का
म्हाका आतां दिवंक लाय खंयचो दीस दिता तो दिवंक लाय
इट विल सॅटिस्फाय यू
हय हांव वयता न्हू मागीर सायड इन्स्पेक्शन पावोवंक मेळटलें कोणूच सोदता उरलें
15-17 तीन दिन से कोई एक डेट देने को बोलो सो अकॉर्डिंगली ही विल आल्सो बी हिमसेल्फ अवेलेबल या which would be that then some tentative
टाइमिंग
17 उनका ये है ना कुछ तो मंडे तक से है या कुछ तो 16 कुछ है क्या 16 या ओके सो लेट देम गो inspect this site and then report so the official letter for them
टाइमिंग
timing is around 11 11 yeah okay so let them coordinate yeah ठीक है okay we have to accept there is no question about going there yeah
Okay.
put concerned
official letter will come to me
yeah they will right okay
tell them to write an official letter I won't tell them ते काय सांगतात
आता तुम्ही उदाहरण तर
सांगायला तुम्ही एक सांगता मागीर बोलतात आमचं सगळं प्रेसा फुडें ना तुम्ही
हे प्रेसा फुडें सगळें आसून येतो हे प्रेसा इट इज मॅटर ऑफ इन्स्पेक्शन डेफिनेटली दे विल डू द इन्स्पेक्शन
So this are copy for you all. आमच्या
येस सर
So 6 आणि प्लीज कोणाक
आणि आता सोन something देख दे
प्लीज कोण तुम्ही परमिशन दिलं नाही का
ओके परमिशन दिलं तर सेम थिंग दिलं काय दिलं म्हणून सारखे दिलं असेल की तरी
तुम्ही बोलायला झालं डायरेक्ट सारखं
Then I am not commenting anything. You tell me whether something wrong is there. So tell me if it's wrongly given.
We have asked
See, forest cover, we had said that it is forest
You
cover.
had said.
Private, no,
You had
private,
said.
no, it is in the notification.
In the
Government
notification.
notification.
Okay.
Thomas and Araujo committee is saying that in the Thomas motion
We are not
it is mentioned
Okay.
that it is a private forest. There is area completely private.
Okay. Okay.
So as per that, your minister also had mentioned.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and it came in the media also.
Okay. Yeah.
That there is a scam of 500 CR. This is as per the statement of the Honorable Minister Vishnu Trane. Okay.
Okay.
After that, I raised the issue in the assembly, and that time the minister had told that he will give a stop order, and they had stopped it. Later on, when I answered, I had make a complaint that work is started. That time you have replied because you have not replied.
Okay.
I have to sit in the Deputy Town Planner office entire night, and then you have replied that you have approved that, saying that it is through the this thing board. The permission is approved through the board.
Okay.
So I just want to know whether this permission was granted, looking at the concern that it was a private. I don't know how you have changed it.
I have not changed. Private forest, I wished I could have been.
How you have
make it for me? As a permission now.
No, तुम्ही कसे
Report must have been that it is not a private forest. Must
PCP बोर्ड असं पावन आसा की प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट आसून बसून तुम्ही त्याका
no.
How you
private forest म्हणजे private forest ना असं ना. If something is given, that means it must be verified and दिलं असेल की Private लागू दे.
Start करा, माहिती हो.
Let it not.
तेच झालं, माझ्या हातात.
Not that easy.
नारळ
Start
उजो
केलं,
पेटव,
झाड केलं,
नारळ उजो पेटव,
नारळ
पेटव.
50%
तुम्ही करा,
केल्याने,
तुम्ही करा. उजो पेटव तुम्ही करा.
नारळ forest नाही आणि आऊन करणं.
उजो पेटवता, कॅनोपी कमी करून माहिती आहे.
Sorry, maybe तुमको खबर असेल ते कारण-
खबर आहे. आणि तिथे फाईल केल्या, कंप्लेंट फाईल केल्या.
So then that will be
I
considered.
filed with the forest department. I filed with the district
Concerned
department.
department.
They want to change. Concerned department is yours. Yours is the major
But
department.
forest women, forest I will not comment. Forest over coaches. So from two days over there I have below.
तुझं लावूनच करतो तुझा हे रिकामा.
Maybe you are partial.
I have gone through everything.
Maybe you are concerned.
लिक्विड घाला, उजवा घाला, हे सगळे चालू असतात तुमचे. आणि कसं चेंज मिस जो कंटूर असा तो टोटल चेंज कर. माझी सगळी आयडिया खबर असतात. ती माहिती चेंज करता. Land change.
रूल असा काय तुम्ही असं
काय तो म्हणतो बोलला तुम्ही? काय तो म्हणतो बोलला? काय तो थोडी करणार तुम्ही? येतल्या चेक करू बा.
ನಾನು ಕಾಯ್ದು ನಡೆದ ಸಂಬಂಧ
तेच झाला.
नो नो
राज्यात पण झाला.
नो इट इज नॉट डेट
Want. झाला. झाला नाही.
ನಾನು सगळ्यात बंद करून पण इट इज नॉट डेट पॉसिबल की
पेंटेच्या कार्ड बनवतो पहिले. सगळ्याला किती झाला?
लेट ऑफ नॉट
हे कोणाच्या तुमच्या देणगे थ्रू झाला ते आणि कोणाच्या थ्रू झाला?
it is not you to say no it is not you to say but it is not so and there is some procedure has to be followed in everything yeah.
तुम्ही 3 मीटर आपल्या ऑलरेडी कन्स्ट्रक्शन बनतात.
no it is not
Proposed road.
it is not
तुम्ही तसे झाला.
there is
तसे झाल्यावर मिनिस्टर म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिले.
okay
कामोल्ले तो प्रोजेक्ट आसा ते 3 मीटर रोड आसा ते आणि थंय वयर व्हडलो तुम्ही प्रोजेक्टाक प्रपोजल दिलो. ओके तुम्ही जे म्हणता सायडीन दिली करपा कोर्टान कित्याक खंयचे पडले? तेच सांगता. एवरी टाइम कोर्टान खंयचे पडटा. तुम्ही दिना, तुम्ही येयना थंय. तुमचो उपकार आसा तेंचेर. हे एलिगेशनाचे तुमचो उपकार आसा म्हणून ते प्रॉब्लेम
Let
जाला.
me
ना
take your version. I don't know why you are so allergic about Delhi all the time. Because it is not only
I
Delhi.
am allergic.
Whole
I am allergic because illegal
Goa has
thing
got
they are
some
doing.
magnetic
They are doing illegal thing.
Everybody
They are from yours. I am allergic
Exactly.
only because
And there is no such law
I am
wrong issue.
I am allergic only because they are doing illegal thing with the help of yours.
No, illegal thing, and we have acted on several cases. where-
So why you have not acted then?
Now, if
This is-
you
we have to find it in court.
If something is illegal,
Then very no approach road, proper approach road, 3 meter
Our
road.
action is almost
There are
very
three proposed 6 meter, 8 meter proposed road. You can't use.
whenever something is illegal, we fight it out and they have to court and so every day everywhere.
Proposed road actually तुम्ही परमिशन देऊ शकता.
No, it is outside. It has to be there.
But दिले
No, it also there.
तुम्ही दिलेच होते.
Illegal.
ते कोर्टात विषय पडलं तुमका. कोर्टात विषय पडलं लोकांक. लोकांक कोर्टात विषय पडलं. तुम्ही ते
It is wrongly given that action झाली असेलच काहीतरी.
आता कोर्टात आमकां व्हरचे पडले. लोकांक पयशे एकटे करचे पडले. लोकांक घालचे पडले कोर्टान कंप्लेन. पण तेच आता तुमकां की तुम्ही सांगता पळय तशें जायना. तुमचो उपकार आसा डेलिव्हरांचेर.
परत deliver करू.
मग डेलिव्हर तुम्ही सपोर्ट करता. तुम्ही सगळं त्यांना डेलिव्हर सपोर्ट करता. तुम्ही गोंयकार सपोर्ट
Right
करता.
now we are at a bracket to Delhi वालेच आसा, but there are very big. So,
ना मेजर प्लेयर सध्या डेलिव्हर आसा. आणि कोण आसा? तुमकां खबर ना? So, ठीक आहे.
right, so?
16 तारीख तुम्ही येतले?
No.
कोण येतले?
Concerned officer, no? Getting it. तुम्ही officer नाक म्हणून.
आहे ना ऑफिसर
I wanted,
तू डेप्युटी आउट केला तर कुठं आवेला म्हणून.
but it could have been better.
Liver गेला.
I wanted,
तो एसर तो वाटत तिथली गेला त्या मागे
it
तिथली.
would have been another- it would have been better, like, okay.
अरे काय हे ना सर.
Sorry, तुम्ही अकोला सर उगीच
आहे ना.
काय
पुढच्या भागामध्ये. आता असं नो